Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is June 17th, 2025, and the top cryptocurrency news is as follows. We'll start today's episode with our spot Bitcoin ETF, where we see that despite the shadow of war that still hangs over the world, big investors continue to buy Bitcoin through various ETFs. Just last week, we had an inflow of $1.3 billion into spot Bitcoin ETFs. As for Ethereum ETFs, the record inflow was broken on June 19th, while on June 13th, we had $2.1 million in outflows. Continuing with ETF news, I'll tell you that Brazil will launch futures contracts for Ethereum and Solana from the company B3, while Canada will have its own ETF for XRP next week. So as you can see, ETFs are expanding. Moving on to companies, we'll look at Tron, which is looking to go public. Tron, founded by Justin Sun, is set to go public via a $210 million reverse merger with SRM Entertainment. Let's say the new Tron Inc. will focus on the TRX token market, which is a similar strategy to what MicroStrategy did with Bitcoin. Now, let's say Eric Trump isn't getting involved. Mr. Eric Trump, the son of the President of the United States, has publicly denied that he would invest in the Tron network's attempt to go public, despite many rumors that he would join Mr. Justin Sun's initiative. However, he has publicly stated that he is a big fan of Tron and Justin Sun himself. Moving on, I will tell you that SRM has seen its share price increase by 533% since I just mentioned it, and Tron has had a bit of a peak as you can see, but Bitcoin remains dominant in the cryptocurrency market right now. Not much is happening with the rest. Next, we will talk about Mr. Michael Saylor, who will also join the Pakistan crypto team as an advisor to help, along with Mr. CZ, who is already a member of the Pakistan team, build his own Bitcoin reserve. And while I'm on the subject, let me tell you that Mr. Saylor's company, MicroStrategy, bought $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, or 10,100 BTC. Moving on from Mr. Saylor, we're going to go to the President of the United States, who I told you in the last episode is making $58 million in cryptocurrency in 2024. What we're learning now is that these earnings are the second most profitable source of income for Mr. Trump. So the President of the United States certainly views cryptocurrencies positively. Continuing with Trump, let me tell you that his company, Trump Media, has launched what's called Truth Social, which is an ETF that will include both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me clarify that it hasn't gone public yet. It's filed for an IPO in the future. That company has also filed for a Bitcoin ETF. According to this article, Bitcoin went up to $107,000 after Trump Media essentially backed this ETF based on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And now, for the latest news of the day, let me tell you that Coinbase and Gemini are seeking legal licenses in Malta and Luxembourg so that they can operate legal exchanges in Europe. With that news, we move on to the cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin at $107,000, with the price trying to break through our resistance level, as you can see. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, is June 17th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care everyone, and have a good day.